everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be a cleaning motivation, a midweek hump day cleaning motivation. I'm going to show you what it looks like before, and then I'm going to have you guys clean along with me. I did this probably a video ago, and I'm doing it again because this is something that we do every day. I mean, this is just what it looks like in here. And so I'm going to straighten up. So I'll do the before and you can see me clean up and see what it looks like after. This cleaning motivation video is a collab with the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Debby Bubble. So you have to tune in on their channels to see what they're cleaning up too. I'm sure that when you tune into their channels, you will find not only the cleaning videos, but home decor, cooking, and so much more. Just check them out. I hope that you stay and watch this video to the end. It's not gonna be that long. Just stay and check it out, watch it to the end, and see what I do to clean up this mad morning rush mess. Okay, you guys keep watching. Okay, everyone, I have completed some mid-week cleaning. So all of the countertop clutter is gone. I am still working on this section over here. We're still new in this home. So this section I have to work on to see what I want to put over there rather. So, we have the sink all clean, everything is clean here. Countertop, like I said, today I have leaves, the leaves candle by White Barn burning, and that smells amazing as well. And I have my picks that I've showed you before from Hobby Lobby. So let's turn around. I have my countertop space cleaned out, and I put this black towel here. I had the cutest little Halloween towels, but they're probably still in a tote in the garage, and I just haven't got to that yet. So here's another cookbook that I use that's really good. Use some of their recipes. These roses are really hanging in there quite nicely. As you guys know, I leave out the ninja. So the floor is all nice and cleaned up. So let's go over to the stove area. Cleaned up all the clutter over here. And I have this cutting board here because I need something to cover up this wall so we won't get any splatters there. We don't have any now, but we don't want any splatters to come over there, so I have to get some, I think it's called Kilz, K-I-L-Z, and I believe that it acts like a shield so you don't get grease stains on your wall. So that's what's going on this side. So again, let's just swing one around. And that leaves candle, it smells so amazing. And then for a little weekday table dressing, table decor, dressing up your table, I put this little fall, autumn with some pumpkins on here because pretty soon we're going to be moving right into November, and we'll all be getting those totes out and those boxes out for our Christmas decor. But this is what I put together. I don't have any flatware on the table. I don't think we need that. And you guys have seen this runner before, and I told you how pretty it is. It's hard to appreciate it because these, little buds on the branch are raised stitching, which really makes this, quite pretty. So I just thought that this was a nice way to dress my kitchen table up. And I always show you my plants. And Living Wild, I was reading my Living Wild coffee table book. And one of the things about, I'm diverting now, guys. One of the things about this Dracaena plant, what I've learned is that it doesn't like regular tap water, it likes distilled water. So can you believe I have to go out and buy some distilled water? I have done it a couple of times. And the bottom of the leaves used to be really red, but they're greening up now. So that really does work. So if you have that Dracaena plant, this is the Dracaena, you want to use distilled water and not regular tap water, okay? Now, I know this one over here looks a little spindly, but he came all the way from Maryland to Texas, and this is what's left of him. So, I don't want to throw him out because actually it was my mom's before she passed in 2021. So can you believe, guys, I still have it. My daughter had it before then. And my mom probably had this plant, I don't know, a good 7-8 years. So even though you might think it looks a little spindly, I'm holding on to it. And I just got this rubber plant. I got that from Lowe's and I really like that. I repotted it. And so I had one pot inside this other pot. But this is what we have for our midweek cleaning for my kitchen area. So I hope this, guys, has inspired you, motivated you to do a little cleaning in your kitchen. And so off to the next thing. Now it's time to make dinner. Okay, guys, you guys have a great one. And until the next one, peace and happiness and blessings to your families. Bye-bye.